Most people say they use AI agents, but actually, a lot of the time, we are still doing the work ourselves. You open a website, copy and paste information into AI, then move the result into a doc, clean up the format, and maybe turn it into a table or presentation. At that point, AI is helping, but you are still the person carrying information from one place to another.
That is why I wanted to test Manus AI. Manus is not just another chatbot where you ask a question and wait for an answer. It is designed more like a general purpose agent. You give it a goal and it can search, browse, organize, and turn the result into something you can actually use. So you no longer have to guide every tiny step.
In this video, I want to show you how Manus works in a real work scenario and why this agent may become one of the most useful productivity tools in 2026. I'm Hamza. I share useful AI tools and workflows for creators, founders, and everyday work. If you want to make AI part of your real workflow, subscribe and follow along.
Let's start with a common workplace task. Imagine your manager asks you to prepare a competitor analysis. You need to search for companies, open and compare different websites, read reports, collect pricing information, then organize everything into something readable. This is where a normal chatbot often starts to feel limited. With Manus, the workflow feels different. Here, I give Manus the task, and you can see that it is not just giving me a generic answer. It is actively working through the web. It opens pages, checks information, compares sources, and keeps moving through the task.
This is the first big difference. Manus is not only talking about research, it is actually doing the research. And for me, I don't need to manually collect every piece of data. I can focus on the direction, the sources, and the final result that answers the business question. The more annoying part usually comes after the research. You have all the information, but it is scattered everywhere. Some of it is from websites, some of it is from reports, some of them are just rough notes, and then you still need to turn it into a format your manager can understand. This is where Manus becomes much more useful. After collecting the information, I can ask it to organize everything into a clean competitor comparison table. And Manus can also take the messy research and turn it into a table with clear comparison points. I only check logic, tweak standards, and pick key highlights. I can also turn raw research into full reports or slide drafts directly within it. You're no longer a data entry clerk. You're the editor-in-chief of your own AI workforce. So, what's the bottom line here? The future of work isn't better prompts, it's better missions. As AI agents advance, routine info work loses value. Your edge lies in task assignment, result judgment, and decision making. Manus delivers full end-to-end workflows, researching, structuring outputs, building deliverables. If you still copy data across tools, try it via the link below. I'm Hamza. Like and subscribe if this clarified what AI agents truly do. See you next time.